a CI pipeline mysteriously failed for 40 minutes. The culprit? A stale Git Worktree locking the main branch on a developer's machine. Let's break down Git Worktree. Work on multiple branches simultaneously, how it works, and the exact mistake behind that failure. Git Worktree creates independent working directories linked to the same repository. You can work on a feature in one window, review a PR in another, and hotfix in a third, all without switching branches or stashing. Creating a worktree is simple. Run Git Worktree add with a path and branch. Git creates a new directory with that branch checked out. Useless to see all worktrees and remove to delete them cleanly. Here's a full example. We create a worktree for a hotfix, make a commit, then switch back to the original repo, it's untouched. Finally, we clean up by removing the directory and pruning stale metadata. You can create a worktree at a specific commit, detached head, for quick inspection without affecting any branch. This is useful for reviewing old commits or debugging without branch conflicts. Use Git Worktree lock path to prevent a worktree from being pruned or removed. This is helpful for long-lived worktrees, e.g., a dedicated review worktree, to avoid accidental cleanup. If you need to relocate a worktree directory, use Git Worktree move path new path instead of manually moving it. This updates the internal metadata and avoids stale entries. This is the same issue we highlighted at the start. Here's exactly why that happened. A developer created a worktree for deploy prep, then deleted the directory without running Git Worktree remove. The branch main remained locked in Git's metadata. When CI tried to fetch, Git refused because main was still checked out somewhere, even though that directory was gone. A developer created a worktree for deployment, but deleted the directory without pruning, leaving a stale lock on main that prevented the CI pipeline from fetching. The fix was simple: run Git Worktree prune to remove stale worktree records. After that, the CI pipeline succeeded. To prevent recurrence, add a pre-deploy CI check that runs Git Worktree list to ensure no stale locks exist. If you delete a worktree directory manually without running Git Worktree remove, the Git metadata remains. Future operations may fail because Git thinks the branch is still checked out. Always use Git Worktree remove or run Git Worktree prune afterward. To diagnose worktree issues, start with Git Worktree list. If you see entries pointing to deleted directories, run Git Worktree prune to clean them. This resolves most lock-related failures. Git Worktree lets you work on multiple branches simultaneously without stashing. Remember, branches are locked to one worktree, always prune stale entries, and use worktrees to eliminate context switching. Ready to go deeper? Up next, Git Reflog. Recover lost commits and branches, then Git merge strategies. Recursive, ours, theirs, and octopus, then signed commits with GPG. Verify your identity in Git. Find them all at TheCodeForge.io. Thanks for watching. The full article and code examples are covered in detail at TheCodeForge.io.